Hello, and welcome to a review of Google's Chromecast. So, this is the box, nice wee nifty little box here. As you can see, it's supported by Google Play, Netflix, YouTube, and Google Chrome. It's the easiest way to send video and stuff to your TV. So, if you're ever looking for something like that, basically, here's your product. So, as you see, top right, it's £30. I bought this from Curry's myself because I couldn't be bothered waiting basically for postage to come. So slide it open. I'll just leave that to the side for one moment. As you can see, first of all, top flap, we can see it's Google Chromecast. We already knew that. So open this up. When you open the flap, first here we see left hand side, it's getting started. Tells you how to install it and what you need to do to get it to work. Top, we have Google, the actual Chromecast. It's not too big, it's nice and small. I'll leave that over to the side for a moment and see what else is in the box. So, we have a wall adapter for your USB. We have the USB lead to micro USB. This micro USB goes into the back of the Chromecast. Put that there. And here we have HDMI extender, which is optional. It also helps to improve your Wi-Fi connection, so that could be very useful if your Wi-Fi is not that great. Let me just open that. Put that back in the box. Just looks like that. That bit goes to the TV. Chromecast goes in there. That's that. So it's not too difficult there. Just close that up and move it over. So you get four things with this: the lid, the wall adapter, and of course the actual Chromecast. So we'll leave that to the side and we'll talk about this. So there, you're given a wall adapter for a USB to plug into if it just does it like that. Now that's, you only use the wall adapter if your TV isn't compatible with USBs or has a USB slot. So basically, on some TVs there's a USB slot that you can use to power things that use USB. So basically, if you have a USB slot in your TV, all you need to do is plug that USB into the back of the TV and then plug it into your Chromecast, and then you're on your way to getting started. If you don't, well, you have to use the wall adapter, but it's the same thing. Same concept. Put that over there. So the main thing. Here we have Google's Chromecast. As you can see, it's quite small. There's the, let me see. There's the micro USB there. There's also a wee reset button. HDMI connection. And then Google Chrome's logo on the front. The Chromecast is actually 70mm long and 30mm wide. The Chromecast dongle looks fairly chunky, as you can see. But on one end an HDMI connector, on the other end USB port. There's also a reset button if it stops working. Also, as I've showed you in the box, there's USB cable, power supply and HDMI extender. While it may look like a USB memory stick, the Chromecast dongle is actually a mini computer inside. Inside is a processor that enables you to stream video and audio from other devices and display them on your TV in 1080p HD. So, how to set up the Chromecast? Well, it's easy to set up. First of all, you plug the dongle into the back of your TV. You need to plug the USB power into the TV or the supplied wall socket, and then you have to download the app or Chrome extension if you're using your computer. First of all, I'll say it's compatible with Android phones and tablets running 2.3 Android and higher. iPads and iPhones running iOS 6 and higher, and Windows 7 and 8, and macOS 10.7 and above. And also it's compatible with Chromebooks, so if you're running Chrome 28 or higher, it will work also with that. So Chromecast, to compare it to another product in the market, well, really it works very similar way to Apple TV. When we tested the actual product using BBC iPlayer, it streamed really well for my internet speed, which isn't great. So I was actually surprised when it streamed HD quality video. It streams it seamlessly. There's hardly any buffering. The only real buffering is at the start whenever it's actually downloading it. One of the features with the Chromecast is that when you say pick a video from YouTube or iPlayer or Netflix or anything from your phone and send it to Chromecast, Chromecast will automatically pick up the signal and download link by itself and then stream it itself to the actual device. And then you can turn off your internet and stuff on your phone and not have to worry about data charges or anything like that. So that's quite useful. Also, you can add queues and stuff for like YouTube and stuff, so if you want to watch multiple videos after each other, you can do that as well. Yeah. Chromecast has limitations because you need to download additional apps to get streaming films, TV shows and music and stuff like that. They support first party apps mainly, but I have found myself a third party app which supports it and works quite well. It's called Logocast. So basically you can stream anything that you have in your documents on your phone or anything like that. So when you're streaming it, it's good quality. It's capable of 1080p and it supports surround sound, which is another great feature. So basically, let's sum up. Chromecast is a bridge between your device and streaming media. So if you want to watch what you're using on your phone, Chromecast will find it on the company servers and it will play it straight to your TV. Hello guys, now we'll be testing it on the TV here. Here's the Chromecast. So basically all I have to do is plug it into the back of my TV and here away we go. So plug it into my TV in the HDMI port. Let me see. Yep. And then because my TV doesn't actually have a USB built into it, I have to use the power cable supplied. So I'll plug that in if I can get it, bring that in and plug it into the power source. Then I'll show you what it's all about. So when you plug the Chromebook in, you will get that Chromecast is loading. This is on HDMI as it is already, so it will load. Google Chrome logo appears, spins a wee bit to tell you it's loading. On first boot, it will ask you to connect to the Wi-Fi and stuff, but you do that through your phone anyway. As you can see, it says Neil's Chromecast, and I'm already connected. It shows you photos and stuff like that. Chromecast has loaded, so let me just show you what to do. First of all, you have to go into your phone. Let's say we want to watch something from YouTube. So click YouTube. Hopefully that should load. And of course it's not loading. There we go. Google's YouTube is loading, and then I'll click the Chromecast button up here. It will tell me and ask me, do I want to connect to Chromecast? Yep, I'll do that. as you can see in behind me, YouTube is loading behind it. And let me see, we'll play a video here, and there we go. I'll boom that and press play, and then all I have to do is disconnect the Wi-Fi. And it's played. Let me zoom back on the TV. As you can see, it is loading perfectly, HD and everything. There you go, guys, and that's us. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you again. Bye.